My third resource is GoNoodle.com. This website has lots of videos for students to get out of their seats and moving. Um, you can do this at home. Parents can sign up to get an account at home. It's all free. Um, I use it for my kindergartners during inside recess just to give them something, another option to do. They don't just have to play with Legos or play in the kitchen area or with babies or stuffed animals. They can, I put it up on my smartboard and they can dance or play along. Um, but the website's pretty easy to get around. I'm going to push continue go noodling, and this is going to take me to a screen to pick my class. Uh-oh. Well, sometimes you experience things. So let's go back and we'll try it again. And hopefully it works this time. Okay, so I've already created my new class. I've just called it 2018-2019 kindergarten. And then I can have each one of my students pick a monster, and as they do these videos, either at home or during their free time or technology time, they can do the videos and grow every time they do one, their monster will grow a little bigger. So they're kind of little monsters now, but they will grow big one. I'm gonna pick one. I think this one is funny, Blob Ross. So I'm gonna play as Blob Ross, and then you'll be able to pick different videos, and every video you get will give you points down here at the bottom to grow towards 10 to get to the next level. Um, you can go to categories at the very top, and that will take you to this site or to this part of the site that shows the different categories. Um, you can do it to get your focus, self-control, sensory skills, building on those fine motor skills, um, just in anything. So like I could do inside recess, and they'll bring up all of these options of things you could do during inside recess. So let's pick one. Now, if there's music to it or anything that's talking, you're not going to be able to hear it on mine because I have the basic Screencast-O-Matic, which won't allow us to hear the music or people talking on it. So we're going to just click on Be Awesome, and it'll kind of just pull up the video first and it'll tell you a little bit about the video and why this is a good video. So each of these videos um, will explain to your students what they have to do, or some of them are dances, so they can do a different dance, or it just makes it a way for them to get up, moving, getting the energy they need out and having fun in school. Sometimes I think we forget that these kindergartners are 5 and 6 years old and we expect them to sit and do so much work. And I like to get them up and moving and learning in different ways. So there are a lot of ways that we can incorporate GoNoodle into our educational subjects like math. There's lots of different videos that will go along with the skills you're working on. Um, so I think it's a great website. Um, I think you should check it out and see if you want to incorporate it in your classroom.